In the 1950s, political scientists developed theories and models to help contrast modern democratic governance from what they termed totalitarian regimes, like those in Hitler's Germany and Stalin's Russia. The most influential of these models was produced by Brzezinski and Friedrich, who identified 6 features of totalitarian rule. Now, along with the social sciences, the popular literature of the time, from George Orwell and Arthur Koestler, helped reinforce the public image of these totalitarian regimes as one in which the individual was completely subjected to the control of the state. The problem is that detailed research by historians since the 1960s has revealed a rather more complex picture. Historians like Hans Mommsen and Ian Kershaw in the case of Hitler's Germany, or Sheila Fitzpatrick and John Arch Getty in the history of Stalin's USSR, have questioned whether party and state control as suggested by the totalitarian model was actually as total as assumed. In addition, the totalitarian model does not help us easily distinguish between, for example, different types of authoritarian governance, or indeed the differences that result from the important role of ideological difference, for example, between communism and fascism. The work of the Spanish sociologist and political scientist Juan Linz should be the starting point for any history student looking to compare and contrast authoritarian regimes. Linz identified a series of characteristics that help us recognize totalitarianism. In this lesson, I want to focus on 4 interrelated aspects of this analysis. That totalitarianism can be identified in, firstly, the intensity and effectiveness of the authoritarianism in the regime. Secondly, the importance of ideology as a key feature of the regime. Thirdly, the extent to which rival non-state actors are tolerated or weakened by the regime. And finally, the level of public engagement that is expected in support of the regime.